Very good morning, students. I Chickpet Madam. Welcome you all to this accountancy class. Okay, today I begin with problems under non-profit organization. So, to begin with, 6 marks problems. So, where you are going to be asked for preparation of receipts and payment account and calculation of capital fund. So these type of questions they will ask for 6 marks. So that's why let us start preparation of receipt and payment account. As already you know, it is nothing but preparation of cash book. It is a summary of cash book which is prepared at the end of accounting period. Yes, as a part of final account under non-profit organization, right? So here they will give some transactions done during the year, and those transactions you are just going to identify whether it is receipt or payment. So irrespective of capital receipt and revenue receipt, receipts writing on the receipt side, that is debit side. Then if there are any payments, writing on the credit side, that is on the payment side. So with this principle, let us prepare receipt and payment account. And one more question they may ask for 6 marks is capital fund, which I will that is teach you in the next class. Okay, so let us start. Here I have taken 2 problems, 2 exercises, and one by one. First I read both the problem and solutions also I show in the video one by one. Okay, so let me read the problem first. From the following information of Citizens Club, prepare receipt and payments account for the year ending 31/3/2013. And here the items given below: cash in hand, that is opening balance. You know, receipt and payment account will begin with opening balance and it will close with closing balance. Yeah, cash in hand, cash at bank, right? So here they are given cash in hand, that is 1/4/2012 is 1000, entrance fees received 1000, receipt side, subscriptions received 75,000, receipt side, rent paid, payment side 9000, paid for printing and stationery 5000, payment, news paper and periodicals you have to purchase it, so it is payment 5800, electricity charges 400, payment side, furniture purchase 10,000, payment side. Then sale of old newspaper receipt. Okay, you will get the income by selling old newspaper to the scrap. Then life membership fees 2000, it is also receipt. So just you are going to identify what are the receipts and what are the payment, that's all. Then balance what you will get, it is a closing cash balance. Okay, and this will be asked for 6 marks. And similar question here it is. I read the question and solution both I will show later. Means in the continuation part of this video. From the following particulars, prepare receipt and payment account of Sagar Sports Club for the year ending 31/3/2014, right? And here also they have begin with the cash balance, opening cash balance. How much it is given? See, 10,000. Cash in hand 10,000 and cash at bank 20,000. Then donation received, receipt side 60,000. Sports equipment purchased, yes, payment side 31,000. Admission fees received, receipt side 25,500. General expenses 8,300, right? Payment, salary paid to staff 24,400, yes, obviously payment. Securities purchased means some investment made, shares in the form of shares and debentures 30,000, payment side. Then they have given closing cash balance 31/3/2014, cash in hand 6,800 and cash at bank 15,000. Okay, closing cash balance is also given here. See, answer is also given here. Just you are going to put that items in the right place, receipt and payment. Okay, so let us begin the problem. So where I will show in the next part of this video the solution of these two problems at a time, okay, one by one. And after this I will give some practice problem PDF I will send, and you practice them at home, right? So let me continue the problem in the solution part. Okay, see here I show you the solution of these two problems where we are we are preparing receipts and payment account for the given year, right? This is example 1. Example 1, and write the heading receipts and payments account for the year ending. The given year should be mentioned here, 31/3/2013. And similarly mention here debit and here credit. It is account means we have to write, and debit side what we are going to show, receipts. Write the heading receipts, and here amount rupees. Then here payments, amount in rupees. So this is the format which we should keep ready. Then we start reading the problem and solving it. Okay, first what is balance, cash in hand, opening balance is given, right? Balance brought down, and the balance given is 1000. Yes, okay. Then second item is entrance fees received. Received means receipts are, right? Entrance fees, that's all. Entrance fees. How much we received entrance fees? 1000. Right, 1000. Okay, second item over. And third item is subscriptions received. Received means receipts and only, right? Subscriptions received. And what is the amount of subscription? 75,000. 75,000, right? Yes. Then next item is rent paid, payment side, payment, rent paid. And what is the amount of rent? 9,000. Yes. Then paid for printing and stationery, right? Printing. Rent ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು, rent, printing and stationery. Printing and stationery ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ? 5,000. Yes, printing and stationery 5,000. Then newspaper and periodicals. Newspaper and periodicals. How much? 5,800. Yes, payment. The next payment is electricity charges. Electricity charges, and amount is 400. Then purchase furniture, right? Furniture. How much? 10,000 paid for purchase of furniture, right? Then sale of old newspaper means receipt. Sale of old newspaper. How much? 500. Then also we received life membership fees. Life membership fees 2,000. Yes. So given all the items we considered, now we have to see the total. Okay, so generally receipt side will be more cash book alli. So receipt ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ 500, 79,500. Then the closing balance is balance carried down. It is a balancing figure. Yes, deduct this total. 490, 20,200, 30,200. So it will come 49,300. Yes. So this is answer. Very easy, and you can expect this easy type of question for 6 marks in the exam. So you can take it as one option. Easily you can solve the problem, right, for 6 marks. Only thing is you are going to identify what are the receipts and what are the payments. Clearly they will give, you have to write correctly on. That is the only thing what you are going to write. Receipt ಇದ್ದರೆ ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಒಂದೊಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನೀವೇ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ರೈಟ್ ಆರ್ ರಾಂಗ್. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಕಮ್ ಟು ನೋ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಈಸ್ ರೈಟ್. ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತದೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರೋದು ರಿಸಿಪ್ಟ್ಸು ಪೇಮೆಂಟ್ಸು ಕ್ಲಾಸಿಫಿಕೇಷನ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ ಅಂತ. ರೈಟ್? ಹೋಪ್ ದಿಸ್ you followed. And second similar problem, exercise example 2 I solve now, which I read there while reading the first problem itself. So here I have prepared the account. I will name it first, receipts and payments account for the year ending 31/3/2014. Here the year given is 2014, and write debit, credit, and here obviously receipts. Amount in rupees, payments amount in rupees. Okay, so the account is ready. Just now go on classifying what are the receipts and what are the payments, right? So this is related to sports club, the receipt and payment account related to sports club, and here is the solution for that. So first balance as usual, write the balance brought down. And what is the balance given? Cash in hand 10,000, cash at bank 20,000. Both are opening balances only. Balance brought down, we have two, cash in hand and cash at bank, right? Then donations received. Donations received. How much? 60,000. Sports equipments purchased, payment side. Sports equipments. Donation ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಸಾಕು. Equipments. Payment ಅಂದರೆ ಪರ್ಚೇಸಿಂಗ್ 31,000. Then admission fees, receipt, admission fees 25,500, 25,500. Then general expenses. General expenses total 8,300. Then salary. Salary paid to staff. Salary is 24,400. Then securities purchased. Securities means shares and debentures. Investment worth rupees 30,000. What is the next item? Securities purchase. They have given the closing balance. So balance carried down. Cash in hand 6,800. Cash at bank 15,000. Yes, given items all are written here. Then now what is the next thing you have to do? Total it. Okay, then what is the total of the debit side and credit side? See, 500, 5,000, 1,15,500. 1,15,500. And this side 7 plus 8, 50. 1 carry 10, 14, 20, 25. 2 carry 3, 3, 6, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 3, 11. Yes, total is both the side correct. Means your problem is right. Got this now? How to do the problems under receipt and payment account. Just you are going to identify receipt and payment, which already you have studied in first PUC. Cash book you have prepared now? The same thing here. And here the thing is, in cash book generally we read the narration, and here we are not writing the narration because it is a summary of cash book. It is prepared at the end of the year. Okay, the sum total of the total receipts and payments are represented here under receipt and payment account. Yes, have you followed this? And 6 marks. Very easily you can score just by preparing the receipt and payment account. Okay, and in the next class I show you preparation of that is balance sheet, and where you are going to identify missing information, that is generally capital fund. ಇದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಫಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ನಾಳೆ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ 6 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಇದು ಕೂಡ ಜನರಲಿ ರಿಪೀಟೆಡ್ಲಿ ಆಸ್ಕ್ಡ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರಿಂಗ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಶೀಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ಡ್ receipt and payment account. That is the only difference. Okay, so along with this, as already I told, I am giving you practice problems related to the same receipt and payment account. So you do them in your notebook neatly. So when you refer that, you should understand. Yes, so I hope you are following and you are making your own efforts, as time is very less and board exams are there. They are not going to cancel the board exam. Remove from your mind that yes, exams are there offline, not online. Yes, so prepare for that and prepare yourself. We are just guiding you because you are not in front of us. We just guide you. If you follow our guidance properly, definitely you score good marks. Okay, so that is our responsibility, and this time your responsibility is more than us. So that's why please understand your responsibility and study hard. Okay, and it is very important phase of your life. very important year of your life, second PUC board exam. So that's why understand your own responsibility and work even your own. Okay, so with this information, so today I conclude the class, and in the next class the next varieties of 6 marks problem I will cover, and then starts 12 marks. One compulsory question will be there, so which little bit complicated, different adjustments we need to solve. Okay, so where you have to give more and more concentration for solving these 12 marks. Okay, once I begin the problem, we'll understand how to do it, right? So with this, let me conclude the class today. Bye, take care.